efficiently?
Yes, they use smart machines. Our project is color separator robot. It separates objects according to their color.
How does the robot know the color of an object?
It uses color sensor. The sensor detects the color and sends information to the controller.
And after the color is detected,
if the object is red, the robot will move the handle to the right. If the object is green, the robot will move its handle to the left. Let me show you the working of our project. If I will pass my red ball to the robot, it will throw my ball to the right side. And when I will pass my green ball to the robot, it will pass my green ball to the left side. Let me show you again. If I will pass my red ball to the robot, it will move my ball to the right side, and if I will pass my green ball to the robot, it will move my green ball to the left side.
what is the benefit of this project?
The benefit of this project is it saves time, reduces human efforts, and makes sorting easy and fast. Thank you.